Welcome to start class 8th Political Science, chapter number 2, and that is Understanding Secularism. Chapter 2 is Understanding Secularism. What is the meaning of secularism? A country where all the religions are treated equally. A country where all the religions are treated equally, and the country doesn't have any official religion. The country doesn't have any official religion. This type of country is called secular country, and it is called secularism. It is mentioned in Indian's constitution that India is a secular country. India is a secular country, means in India, by the government, all the religions will be treated equally. Government will not prefer any of the religions due to any reason in any circumstances. Why? Because it is secular, as it is mentioned in the Constitution of India. And this secularism will stop the discrimination and prejudice. In this way, there will be less problem in the society. But when you will see the history of the other country of the world, you will find that there are many type of discrimination. Like you can take example of Germany. During the time of Hitler, the Jews were genocide, persecuted, killed. Million Jews were killed only due to their religion. So it was discrimination. And second, you can take example of Jews. When after being killed, when Jews arrange their own kingdom, they form a country, that is Israel. So now they are treating in their own country very badly to the non-Jews. Whatever religions are there in the Israel country, there is majority of Jews. Now they are disturbing and treating badly with the people of all the religions, especially Muslim and Christians. And third example is Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, monarchy system is there. It is not secular country, you can say, and it is not democratic country. So in Saudi Arabia, non-Muslim, the people, those are not Muslim, either any religion, Christian, Jews, Hindu, they are not allowed to build their temple, church, or any their religious buildings in the under the Saudi kingdom. Even non-Muslims are not allowed to worship in public places in a group. So this was due to monarchy system in Saudi Arabia. In monarchy system, there is a king in Saudi, and they don't allow this type of thing. So we have seen just now some examples where the countries are not following the policy of secularism, and they are discriminating the people of other country, the people of other caste, other religions. But in India, we have seen that the people of all the religions are treated equally. All the religions are treated equally. India don't have any official religion. Constitution of India. Next heading is what is secularism. So Constitution of India has fundamental right. Constitution of India contains fundamental right, which protect us to the minorities from the state power. Means the government, state means country, the country power, the government power cannot disturb the people of any religion, and the majority cannot dominate them. Means it will make free to the people from the tyranny of the majority, from the disturbance of the majority. This is also due to the secular country which is mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Next heading is why it is important to separate the state power from the religion. Why it is important to separate the state power from the religion. State power is separated from the religion. Means religion cannot force that government cannot force any religion. The separation, this is the line, is the religion, and here is the state government or country government. So the country government, state officers cannot force to any religion in any field. And same way, the religion cannot force the country cannot interfere the country in any way. And this is so. Why? Because the people cannot force any country. The officers, the country cannot support any one religion. The people, the official people, the government, the state cannot support any one religion. It was not so in Germany and Israel. Why? In Germany, Christian was official religion, and in Israel, Jews religion is official religion, and that's why same in Saudi Arabia is Islam. So that's why this is the reason that discriminate the people of other religion. Different type of discriminations are found in this type of country. In secular country, government cannot force any religion to follow their faith, to follow their religion, to follow their caste. Suppose if people in the government is follower of any other caste, like they are upper caste, so they cannot force to the people of the lower caste to follow their own belief. In short, in secularism, in secular country, all the people are free to follow their favorite religion, to follow their choice religion, selected religion, or whatever religion they follow. In what way they want, they will follow. And next heading is, what is Indian secularism? What is Indian secularism? This we will see in the second part.